In this tutorial, we'll be covering the init method in Python. The init method, for those of you who are just getting started, is a special method in Python classes that gets automatically called when an object of that class is created. As you can see, our student class has an init method, which is defined using def, like other methods in Python. However, the init method is special because it's known as a magic method because it is called by Python's built-in machinery. All magic methods start and end with 2 underscores. Whenever we create an instance of the student class, the init method is automatically called. The parameters name and age are the data we pass into our student objects, and the self keyword refers to the instance of the class. Now, let's create an instance of the student class. We are creating student1 and passing Alice as the name and 20 as the age to the init method. We can now print the attributes of student1 which we just initialized using the init method. As you see in the output, when we print student1.name and student1.age, we get Alice and 20, respectively. This is because the init method is called when we create a new student object, initializing the object's attributes. Let's go ahead and create another student. Now, we created student2 and we passed Bob and 22. And when we print the attributes, we get Bob and 22. Each instance of a class is unique, so student1 and student2 are separate student objects with their own name and age attributes. This is the power of the init method. It allows us to initialize attributes for each individual instance of a class, making our code cleaner and easier to manage. In this video, you learned what the init method in Python is, how to use it, and how it works. You're now able to create your own Python classes, with their own unique instances, using the init method. Keep practicing, and happy coding!